Are you gearing up for a getaway? I've got some easy travel hacks to help you pack smarter and lighter. Shoes are the perfect hiding places for small items like sunglasses and chargers. The Ranger Roll. Start by laying your shirt flat. Fold up the bottom so that folds up all the way around. Then fold in one side of the shirt and then fold the sleeve. Fold the other side of the shirt in and then fold the sleeve again. Tightly roll from the top all the way down to the fold and then flip the fold around. This keeps all of the pieces individual so you can grab anything you want at any time. Start by folding your pants in half long ways. Then fold a shirt in half the long ways as well and place it on top of the pants. Place all of your undergarments on top of that and roll the whole thing together. This will keep your whole outfit together. I call this the sandwich method. Start by folding up your bottoms, then place your undergarments in the middle, and then fold your shirt and place it on top. This just keeps an outfit together, but it keeps them nice and stacked. Don't forget a lightweight laundry bag. Then when I'm traveling, I've got a spot for dirty clothes, and it doubles as a liner for wet and messy items. Instead of packing bulky body wash, grab a simple bar of soap, TSA friendly and zero chance of leaks. Another leak-free swap, True Earth laundry detergent sheets. These are game changers, lightweight, space-saving, and completely mess-free. No big plastic jugs, no spills, and no waste. When it's laundry time, just grab your travel laundry bag, toss in your clothes, add a strip, and wash away. Easy and eco-friendly. Grab your travel-friendly laundry detergent at True Earth and don't forget to use code TRAVEL15 to get 15% off your order. And if you don't have access to a machine, hand washing is easy in a basin or a sink with these detergent sheets. Ever had your shampoo or lotion explode in your bag? Not fun. A little plastic wrap can go a long way. Just unscrew the cap, place a small piece of the plastic wrap over the opening, and screw the lid back on. And if your bottle has a pop top, don't forget to open it to relieve any pressure to prevent any future messes. Keep your razor sharp and your fingers safe. Clip a binder clip over the blade. Such a simple little hack that makes such a big difference. Trying to keep your hat in shape? Don't pack it flat. Stuff it. I roll up my pajamas, just the shirt and the shorts, and tuck them inside the crown. It saves space and keeps the brim from getting squished. A travel must-have? A scarf. It's more than just an accessory. Use it to dress up an outfit, cover your shoulders from the sun, or wrap around you when it's chilly. I've laid it like a blanket on the ground to sit and read. I've used it as a leg cover when I'm outdoors. And I've wrapped a jacket inside of one to make a makeshift pillow. It always amazes me how much can fit when you pack with intention. A few smart folds, multi-use items, and a little planning go a long way. And I still have room for my souvenirs. Whether you're traveling for a weekend or a whole month, packing doesn't mean going without. With True Earth, you can do laundry on the road, no problem. Once everything is packed, clothes rolled, hat stuffed, detergent ready, I zip it all up and I'm out the door, suitcase in hand and ready for the next adventures. I hope this inspires you to pack smart and light with a little help from True Earth.
Thanks to True Earth for sponsoring this video.
Today we're going to be making some camping hacks. Stop your tablecloths from blowing away. Grab some clothespins and clip the clothespins onto the tablecloth to hold the tablecloth into place. Grab some shower caps and you can use these to cover the top of your food to store it. You can also use these to put around your shoes. This will keep your shoes together, keep the dirt out of your tent and car. Grab a cake carrier, open it up, and place your plates and your silverware, napkins, and more into your cake holder. This will now help you transport any of your paper products when you're camping and keep them all together. Grab some condiment bottles from your local store. I'm grabbing a pancake mix and placing the batter into the squeeze bottle. When it's time to use it, I'll simply squirt the batter into the pan and cook up the pancake. Grab a foil pan from the store. You'll also need some charcoal and you'll need a cookie rack. Place the charcoal into the foil pan and then place the cookie rack on top and you've made a portable grill. Grab some lint from your dryer, stuff it into the toilet paper tube, and give it a few squirts of hand sanitizer. Place this onto your grill and light it, and you can easily get your grill going. Now you can use your grill with ease, and I hope this inspires you to try some of these camping hacks of your own.
clean up a messy drawer with these folding hacks. To fold a t-shirt, start by laying it on a flat surface with the front side facing down. Fold in each side of the shirt and then fold the arms back. Once you have a rectangle created, you are going to fold this shirt in half, leaving a couple inches on the bottom. Then you're going to fold it in half again. And now you have a nice file here that's going to stand up in your drawer. This is called a pouch fold. Fold up the bottom of a shirt about a third of the way. Then turn the whole thing over. Fold each side of the shirt in. Then fold the top down and fold the whole thing in half. Now you're able to turn this little pouch all the way around and tuck the shirt inside of it. The benefits of this fold is that it stays intact. So if you're rummaging around in your drawer, it's not gonna come unfolded. This is also a great fold for packing. Lining your shirts up like this allows you to see everything that you have. It's nice and neat and it's easy to pull out what you need. Let's fold a hoodie. Fold the bottom up about a third of the way and then fold it up again. Take the two sleeves and fold them in, and then fold in the sides. Take this whole piece and tuck it into the hood, leaving the strings out. Pull those strings tight and everything stays contained. This is a nice way to fold a bulky item. It's gonna stay nice and secure in your drawer. This is also great for packing. Let's fold a collared shirt. Make sure all the buttons are fully buttoned. Then flip the shirt over. Fold in the sides and fold the arms back. You want to create a long rectangle. Now fold up the bottom about a third of the way and fold the top down about a third of the way. This allows you to see your shirt. It doesn't compromise the collar. It's a great option for storing shirts if you do not have a hanging space. To fold a pair of pants, lay them face up and fold one leg on top of the other, creating one long rectangle. Fold the whole thing in half and then fold it in thirds. Using this method is going to allow your pants to stand up on their own. Then you can take this file folded pair of jeans and tuck them in your drawer, being able to see each one. Folding a pair of socks is pretty straightforward. Lay one on top of the other and fold them in thirds. This way you're not stretching out the elastic at the top and you can see the pattern of the socks very easily. You can fold this in a file form in a drawer. There are some folding hacks to clean up your messy drawers or your suitcase. I hope this inspired you to try some of these at home. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.